As you all know, many Asian countries celebrate Lunar New Year. And Lunar New Year, also known as Tết, is the most important celebration in Vietnamese culture. I will introduce you to a few must-dos to celebrate a perfect Vietnamese Lunar New Year. Vietnamese people believe that Tết is meant for friends and family gatherings and reunion, so the first meal of the year is very crucial. The preparation of the 5-fruit tray, boiled chicken, square cake or tune cake as offerings is an essential tradition in every Vietnamese home. Plants as well as flowers also play an important part in Vietnamese culture, which symbolize vitality, new happiness and luck for the whole new year. Not to mention the presence of peach blossom in the north or apricot blossom in the south is a must for every Vietnamese family. Well, I hope that this information is helpful for you. Happy Lunar New Year, or as the Vietnamese always say, chúc mừng năm mới.